bought a stage 5 eBay clutch. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are out at Caleb's shop. We got the Civic on the lift, and as you saw from the intro, we are putting in a stage 5 4-puck sprung eBay clutch. Before I get any further in the video though, I do want to quickly let you guys know that I rebranded my merch website. It's now called Driveways and Jack Stands, and I listed a new product for sale in there, including some OG hats and stuff. The new product is a really clean poster of the EG. I've already sold 3 of them by the time this video's gone live, and I only have 16 left. You can find them at www.drivewaysandjackstands.com. Link is in the description. So you might be wondering, if I already have an eBay clutch that's failing, why would I put another one in? Well, to tell you the truth, I kind of just want to see what happens. You see, my only job right now is to make fire videos for you guys. And I figured a lot of you guys would be wondering what a stage 5 eBay clutch is like. So the plan is to put in the stage 5 eBay clutch and then try to race Caleb at the drag strip. So now that we've dropped the trans, I can finally give you guys a look at the new clutch. So here is the old clutch. This is a stage 3 eBay clutch. I paid $69 for this clutch. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the car, give you guys a look at how it held up after slipping like crazy, and compare it to the new clutch. So I punched the flywheel, so I'm bleeding now. Here's the old clutch. You can clearly see that it was slipping a little bit, but doesn't look terrible. The reason I'm doing this clutch started slipping after I got the grippier tires. Those tires actually hooking forced the clutch to have to hold a lot more power, because before they only had to hold enough power to get the tires to spin. Now it has to hold all of the power. It honestly did a great job, and the thing is, like, I would recommend this product, and this is not a sponsored thing. So like I said, this is the new clutch. This is same brand, XTD. Caleb, do I have to change out my pilot bearing? It's fine. Should I do it or no? Is this like is this a normal thing? Do people change it every time you do a clutch? It probably has less than 500 miles on it. Maybe well, like in that case, not fuck it. Okay, that's what I'm thinking too. All right, we're gonna flip the old clutch. We're gonna flip the old clutch to decide if we're gonna do it, the pilot bearing or not. If it lands spring side up, we do it. We're not doing it. We're not doing it. We're not replacing it. Hey-o! All right, here we go. Stage 5 eBay clutch. I'm gonna press it for the first time. Fine. It's definitely stiffer. Is it? It's very springy. It feels like it's gonna grab much lower, but I'm not sure yet. Should I move the car out and film you? Easy. Easy. Dude, it honestly feels better than the stage 3. Say that again? That feels better than the stage 3, like as of right now. Oh, it's so smooth actually. Oh my god. Dude, this clutch is actually so much nicer to drive than the stage 3. This is supposed to handle like 600 horsepower. Oh my gosh, dude, it's so easy.
All right, so does it engage high or low? Or
pretty much the same spot. Or maybe a little lower.
That's nice. Really quite impressive. I thought it was gonna be like an on-off switch. Yeah, it feels really smooth. Yeah. It makes me wish I bought an eBay clutch one more time. Yeah, dude. I'm very impressed by the clutch.
Dude, Gingium endorsed it.
Gingium endorsed.
I'm gonna do a pull in this car in weeks because of the new tires. Clutch slipping. So guys, that is the eBay Stage 5 clutch. I really personally like it a lot actually, and I'm excited to hear from you guys in the comments down below what your opinions are, if you've ever had experience with an eBay clutch. As you can probably tell, the clutch is working really, really well. I was able to launch the car. I was able to do highway pulls. Like, I did a 4th gear brake boost on my way home from Caleb's shop. So in the next video, we're gonna see if this clutch and these tires are the edge that I need to be able to beat Caleb at the drag strip. Caleb's gonna be pulling out his built high compression 1.6 liter turbo Miata. He just got some really aggressive wheels and tires, and he's making a video on how to launch that car, and he's been practicing like crazy to be able to beat me. I have not practiced at all. I've done literally 1 launch. So if you guys wanna see his video, I'll put that in the description down below. If you guys like this video, please click that thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. I wanna hear from you guys down in the comment section. Do you think I'm gonna win, or do you think Caleb's gonna win? As I always say, boys, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.